Hello my beautiful people, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I do not want you to miss out on these videos that I'm putting out. And this video is brought to you by UNice. They sent over their Glueless V-Part Kinky Curly Wig in 24 inches long, and it's a natural brown. And I just love how flat the weft is on this hair right around the parting. This will just allow you to have very minimal leave out or no leave out at all, which is what I'm going to do today. I'm going to do the crochet method. They also sent over some wonderful goodies along with this robe that I'm wearing. And here's my braid foundation for installing this unit. Nothing fancy, but I wanted to make sure I have my 2 middle anchor braids. And because I'm doing the no leave out method, I'm going to place my clamps right up under my braid. You don't want to cover the braid. You want to leave it free. That way it's easy to crochet the hair through. Now I'm going to take my crochet hook, I'm going to go under my braid and then pull some hair from the unit, latch it on, pull it through all the way, making sure I don't have any tangles, and flip over. Now I'm going to tell you guys my mistake. Because this hair is so curly, it can tangle easy. I suggest that you pull the hair away from the unit first. That way you separate the curl, and it just makes it a whole lot easier when you get ready to pull the hair through and under the braid. And look how nice and seamless that part looks. It looks like it's going right out of my scalp. Now let's move on to styling. I'm going to do my edges. Next, I'm using some water to drench the curls. Then I'm going to follow up with some leave-in conditioner. I'm creating a cute little bohemian twist style. Don't forget to check the description box down below. I will have this unit linked along with all products used in this video.
You want my body tonight? I'll be your naughty girl. I'm calling all my girls. I see you look me up and down, and I came to party.
Adding more gel to define the curls. Look at how gorgeous these curls are, and I am loving the no leave out method on this V-part unit. Make sure you guys give me a thumbs up and also comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.